Today I'm sharing with you how to get around in Bratislava using public transportation and see the most popular tourist attractions without spending too much. Bratislava is a small city but really charming. It does not have a subway system like most European cities, but the transportation system is really efficient. Arriving in Bratislava, there are 4 major terminals that you will arrive at. First is the Bratislava International Airport, and then Hlavna Stanica or the main station, or the Petrazalka Stanica or the Petrazalka station. And last, Autobusova Stanica or the main bus station. From these stations or terminals, you can easily catch a public transpo. You have 3 options. You can take bus, which has the most routes in the city. Or you can take a trolley, which looks like a bus but runs through electricity and they are connected in a cable. They usually serve the hill part of Bratislava, so if you want to go to the Bratislava Castle, trolley 203 and 207 goes there. Finally, you can take a tram, which I think is the most popular choice for tourists because it stops on the most tourist spots of Bratislava. If you want to find the schedules of this public transport, you can check the imhd.sk website for more information. However, in each stop, you can also see the time schedule of the buses, trolleys, or trams that stops there. In some of the major stops, there are monitors that show the time of arrival of the buses, so it's really inconvenient. Now let's talk about buying tickets. It is important to know that the tickets for bus, trams, and trolleys are all the same. You can buy them based on your expected travel time. I wrote about it more in my blog post about the public transport in Bratislava, so you can check it out later. I will leave the link in the description below. So where to buy tickets? You can buy tickets from newspaper stands called Tabak Express, and you can find them around the city near the stop. You can also buy in tourism office or even use your mobile phone if you have a SIM card that works with Slovak phone operators. But the most popular way to buy tickets is through ticket machines. You will see 2 kinds of ticket machines, the red and the yellow ones. Red one accepts cards as payment and usually found in the main terminals, while the yellow one are the most in numbers and you can find them in almost every stop. So I will teach you how to buy tickets in this yellow ticketing machine. It is important to remember that it only accepts coins from 1 cent to 2 euros. And always check the light. If it is green, it's okay to use. If it is green but blinking, then you have to put an exact amount because it will not give you change. If it is red, don't use it because it's not working. Now, if something is wrong, you can press the storno. It means cancel. Also, you will see 2 columns of buttons. The one in the left is discounted and usually for students, senior citizens, and disabled. As a tourist, you want to buy the regular fare, which is on the right side. Now let us try buying a ticket. I have €1 here and I will buy 1 ticket for 15 minutes. So I will press the button that corresponds to 15 minutes and the cost is 70 cents. Then when you look at the screen, you will see the total amount you need to pay. Once done, you put your coins into the machine. Then you will get a change if you have, and then afterwards, your ticket will come out too. Now, let us ride a bus. Doors of public transpo in Bratislava do not open automatically when it stops. You have to press the button so it will open. Once you're in the public transpo, Validate your ticket immediately and keep the ticket. It is really important because if you get caught without a validated ticket, the fine is 50 to 70 euros. There are buses or trolleys that have monitors inside, so you can see which is the next stop. Now to get off, make sure to press the green or red button that are scattered inside. If you do not press it, the bus will not stop. Okay, now that you know how to get around Bratislava, here are some of the most important stops to remember. Sucre Mito is the stop for Presidential Palace. Namiste S&P is the stop if you're going to the main square, Old Town. Šafarikovo Namiste is near the Danube River and the National Museum. Mala Siena is next to the largest shopping center, Eurovea. And Zokhova stop is under the Bratislava Castle. Now, if you prefer a more private mode of transpo, you can take Uber, but you can only pay through the app using your card. There are also Bolt and Hopin that works the same like Uber, but they have more cars, so it's easier to book. Also, you can rent a bike with Hlavna Bike, and you can see them around the city. The cost is 6 euros for one day, so if you like biking, it is a great option. If you have more questions, please leave a comment below and I will try to answer them. Also, if you have traveled to Bratislava before, I want to know if you like using the public transport. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like to see more about Bratislava, I have another video about things that you can do in one day here, so make sure to watch it too. Thanks a lot, friend, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot. See you again next time.